First of all, I welcome all the students and the participants who are attending this live lecture. Today in this live lecture, we shall discuss the examples based on the tangent and normal, equation of a tangent and normal shear. In the last lecture, we have seen that the definition regarding the tangent, definition regarding the normal, the concept regarding a tangent and a normal. Actually, say this. Let m be the slope of a tangent, then equation of a tangent is given by m is equals to tan alpha, which is equals to dy by dx, which is also denoted by f dash of x. Then we can write the equation of a tangent at a point P x1 y1 is equals to y minus y1 is equals to m in a bracket x minus x1. Similarly, we know that suppose this is a tangent, then normal is a perpendicular to the tangent. If the slope of a tangent is m, then the slope of a normal is negative reciprocal of the slope of a tangent. So we can say that the slope of a normal m1, suppose, which is the negative reciprocal of slope of a tangent, which is 1 upon n, or which is also denoted by minus 1 upon dy by dx, which is equals to minus 1 upon f dash of x. If this is the slope of a normal, then which is the negative reciprocal of slope of a tangent, then we can write equation of a normal in slope point form. Y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 upon m into x minus x1. Now, the equation of a tangent at a point P x comma y is given by Hat's form. This is the same form, equation of a tangent. But suppose if we consider the coordinate axes capital X and capital Y, where capital X and capital Y be the arbitrary point and small x and small y be the point of a contact, then we can write the equation of a tangent capital Y minus small y is equals to f dash of x in a bracket capital X minus small x. Note that in this case, small x and small y be the point of a contact and capital X and capital Y be the arbitrary point. Similarly, we can find the slope of equation of a normal. This is the equation of a tangent, this is the equation of a normal. Also, we can write the parametric equation of a tangent and normal. Parametric, if x is a function of t, y is again capital F of t, t is the parameter, then such a types of equation is called as a parametric equation. And the equation of parametric equation, therefore, the slope of the tangent to the given curve, which is represented by the parametric form, is slope is equals to m is equals to tan phi, which is denoted by dy by dx, which is in the parametric form. We can write dy by dt is equals to dx by dt, but dy by dt is capital F dash of t and dx by dt is equals to small f dash of t. So we can replace this tangent, slope of a tangent, to find the equation of a tangent in the parametric form as y, capital Y minus small y is equals to particular, that is a slope f dash of t, capital F dash of t, divided by small f dash of t in a bracket capital X minus small x. So we can write this also. Okay. तर या ठिकाणी आपण हे these are the formulae you must know. ये सभी फार्मूले आपको पता होना चाहिए, क्योंकि in the objective question system you have to write the answer of this tangent, equation of tangent and normal in this form here. Okay. Now we shall solve problems based on this one by one. आता हे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करू. 10 मार्काचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे, इम्पॉर्टंट प्रॉब्लेम आहे. हा प्रॉब्लेम तुम्हाला एग्जाम मध्ये विचारतात, लक्षात घ्या. राइट डाउन प्रॉब्लेम्स. Question. Suppose whatever may be, question number I think 2. Find the equation of a tangent and normal find the equation of a tangent and normal at any point in a bracket x comma y to the curve x raised to m divided by a raised to m plus y raised to m divided by b raised to m, which is equals to 1. Okay, students, we have to find out the equation of a tangent and normal to the curve x raised to m upon a raised to m divided by y raised to m divided by b raised to n, which is equals to 1. Now first of all you tell me what we have to do. अभी यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, आप बताइए कि हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है. What we have to do? Actually first of all we have to calculate the equation, that is slope of a tangent to the given equation. स्लोप काढण्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल रे सांगा बस स्टुडंट. what we have to do for to obtain the slope of tangents here. Okay, given equation of the curve x raised to m divided by a raised to m plus y raised to m divided by b raised to m is equals to 1. ओके, स्लोप निकालना पड़ेगा हमें. आदित्य रेड्डी, वेरी गुड. बट स्लोप निकालने के लिए हमें सबसे पहले व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट दिस. हमें यहाँ पे डिफरेंशिएट करना होता है. वी हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट दिस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. सो ओके, गंगाधर, पंकज, वेरी गुड. डिफरेंशिएटिंग with respect to x. So we get, what is the derivative of x raised to m? Student, you tell me what is the derivative of x raised to m. x raised to m का डेरिवेटिव होता है m into x raised to m minus 1 upon ij raised to m, which is the constant coefficient. y raised to m का डेरिवेटिव होता है m into y raised to m minus 1 divided by b raised to m into, again we have to take the dy by dx, which is equals to derivative of 1. 1 चा डेरिवेटिव काय येतो रे स्टुडंट्स? That is 0. So we can write, see this, transfer this, m into y raised to m minus 1 divided by b raised to m into dy by dx, which is equals to m into x raised to m minus 1 divided by a raised to m. So we can write dy by dx equals to minus m into x raised to m minus 1 divided by a raised to m into b raised to m divided by m into y raised to m minus 1. Okay, very good. Snehal, Aishwarya, Madina, Sainath, Mayavati, Radha. Okay, so we get dy by dx equals to minus of this m will be get cancel, b raised to m into x raised to m minus 1, x का y है पहा. Okay, divide by a raised to m into y raised to what? m minus 1. Okay, so we can write this, therefore this is the slope, of a point. This, therefore dy by dx equals to, now we have to find out the variable slope. हमें x and y की जगह पे स्लोप निकालना है, तो सेम है x and y. So slope of tangent at point px comma y, this is a variable point, so don't worry about this, is you can write m is equals to dy by dx equals to as it is minus b raised to m into x raised to m minus 1 upon a raised to m into y raised to m minus 1. Now आपको पता है नंबर 1, देन वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट, अगर आपके पास स्लोप है टेंजेंट, इफ you have a slope of a tangent, then definitely you can calculate the equation of a tangent. Therefore, the equation of a tangent at point px comma y is, what is that? Capital Y minus small y is equals to, suppose m into, or we can write f dash of x into कैपिटल X माइनस स्मॉल x, पता सीरीज आपको पता होना चाहिए. You have already studied this in the 12th standard. The slope of a tangent, equation of a tangent in slope point form is y minus y1 is equals to m in a bracket x minus x1. In this way we can obtain the slope of a tangent. Capital Y minus small y is equals to m in a bracket capital X minus small x, because the point of a contact is considered as a small x comma y. अगर point of contact small x comma y होता है तो आपको जो वेरिएबल पॉइंट, आर्बिट्री पॉइंट आपको कंसिडर करना होता है, तो उस वक्त आपको कैपिटल x एंड कैपिटल y आर्बिट्री पॉइंट कंसिडर करना होता है. वेरी गुड. साईनाथ सेवारे, स्नेहल हाके, ऐश्वर्या, राधा बिराजदार, मायावती, वेरी गुड. सो put this value, capital Y minus small y is equals to, put this m means what? B raised to m into x raised to m minus 1 divided by a raised to m into y raised to m minus 1 into x minus x. So you can write this. अभी इसको आपको सॉल्व करना है, तो a raised to m, b raised to m आपको डिनोमिनेटर में लिखना है. सो वी गेट, अभी इसको हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन करो इसका, y रेज टू m माइनस 1 इन अ ब्रैकेट कैपिटल Y माइनस स्मॉल y डिवाइड बाय b रेज टू m विच इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस x रेज टू m माइनस 1 अपॉन a रेज टू m कैपिटल X माइनस स्मॉल x. ओके, सो हमने यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन कर दिया है. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन मीन्स y रेज टू m माइनस 1 विच इज इन द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द राइट साइड, सो it is in the multiplication. Division can be converted into the multiplication on the left side, and the b raised to m is in the multiplication in the numerator on the right side, so we can multiply, divide on the left side by b raised to m. So now calculate this, y into, इसको हम अभी किसी तरह से लिख सकते हैं, कैपिटल Y इंटू वाई रेज टू m माइनस 1, मल्टीप्लाई करो y रेज टू m माइनस 1 इंटू वाई, स्मॉल y रेज टू m माइनस 1 इंटू वाई, किस क्या होता है इसका मल्टीप्लीकेशन, देखो स्मॉल y रेज टू m माइनस 1 इंटू वाई, इसका मतलब इसका पावर होता है 1, सो y रेज टू m माइनस 1 प्लस 1, सो वी गेट y रेज टू m. I can write this directly by small y raised to m divide by, सेपरेट करता हूं मैं इसको, b raised to m upon b raised to m. Denominator, we can separate this denominator also, minus b raised to m. Similar process we have to adopt on the right side, multiply by x raised to m minus 1, x raised to m minus 1 in the bracket. So we get minus capital X into small x raised to m minus 1 divided by a raised to m. Similarly, again this minus x raised to m minus 1 is multiplied with plus m, then we get very good, Manvi Kurke, Radha Birazdar, Mayavati Mali, same process we have to adopt here. Minus x raised to m minus 1 is multiplied with x raised to small x raised to 1. So we get, what will the result? Therefore we get x raised to m divided by e raised to m. नाउ ट्रांसफर दिस टर्म ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड, पॉजिटिव करूँ, यहाँ नेगेटिव टर्म है, जो भी राइट साइड को नेगेटिव टर्म है उसको पॉजिटिव करो. सो x इंटू स्मॉल एक्स रेज टू m माइनस 1 डिवाइड बाई a रेज टू m प्लस कैपिटल Y इंटू small y raised to m minus 1 divided by b raised to m. So this transfer this on right side. So x raised to m divided by a raised to m plus y raised to m divided by b raised to m. But according to the given equations here, what is the given equation? Actually from this C, if we consider this equation as a 1. So according to the given equation we get, suppose the slope of a tangent is considered as 2, then from equation 1 we can replace this as x raised to m. हाँ सांगा रे काय तो from equation 1 we can replace x raised to m divided by a raised to m plus y raised to m divided by b raised to m is equals to 1. So we have to replace this as a 1. The final answer is x into small x raised to m minus 1 divided by a square into b square b raised to m, which is equals to 1. So we can write from 1. Okay, Snehalake, right? So this is the required equation of tangent. अभी हमें सेकंड पार्ट में क्या करना है, देखो ये हो गया फर्स्ट पार्ट, दैट इज इक्वेशन ऑफ अ टेंजेंट. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द दिस प्रॉब्लम वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट इक्वेशन ऑफ अ नॉर्मल आल्सो. सो this is the equation of a slope of a tangent. M is the slope of a tangent. Therefore by taking this negative reciprocal of equation 2 we can find the slope of a normal and then calculate the equation of a normal. So you can write this as now second part. What is that second part? The slope of a normal is given by from 2. So m1 is equals to minus 1 upon m. That can be written as, we can write m1 means the slope of a normal which is the negative reciprocal of slope of a tangent. इसका मतलब आपको इसको नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल लेना है, नेगेटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव होता है. सो वी कैन राइट a raised to m into y raised to m minus 1 divided by b raised to m into x raised to m minus 1. बराबर है क्या रे स्टूडेंट्स? देखो यहाँ पे सेम है. ओके, अगर स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल आपके पास है, सो वी कैन कैलकुलेट द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ नॉर्मल. सो देयरफॉर द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ नॉर्मल at point px comma y. What is that formula? Same, capital Y minus small y is equals to m1 means the slope of a normal, capital X minus small x. So put these values in the, put this value of normal, that is slope of a normal, in this equation of normal. So capital Y minus small y which is equals to a raised to m into y, into y raised to m minus 1 in a bracket capital X minus small x divided by, what is that? We can write divide only the small divide. So divide by b raised to m into x raised to m minus 1. अभी देखो इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई भी करते हैं तो इसका कुछ यूज नहीं है. सो इसे हम सेम सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म में इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं, खाली डिवीजन में लेना. कैपिटल y माइनस स्मॉल y डिवाइड बाय a रेज टू m इंटू y रेज टू m माइनस 1 विच इज इक्वल्स टू कैपिटल X माइनस स्मॉल x डिवाइड बाय b रेज टू m इंटू x रेज टू m माइनस 1. ओके, दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. इसको हम ज़्यादा सिंप्लीफाइड नहीं कर सकते. सो दिस इज द required equation of This is the required equation of normal. See here students, दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल. इस तरह से हम टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल का इक्वेशन निकाल सकते हैं. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम है. देखो इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम है ये. फ्रीक्वेंटली this problem is frequently asked in the examination, so you must know all the concept regarding this. Okay, now next we shall discuss the another problem. Next problem, third, suppose third, fourth, whatever may be. Find the equation of a tangent and normal. Find the equation of a tangent and normal. Equation of a tangent and normal to the curve x is equals to a in a bracket theta plus sin theta comma y is equals to a in a bracket 1 plus cos theta at थीटा इक्वल्स टू पाई बाई 2. अभी देखो हमें ये जो इक्वेशन है, चलो रे स्टूडेंट, इस टाइप ऑफ इक्वेशन को हमें क्या क्या बोलते हैं, किस टाइप का इक्वेशन है ये? एक्चुअली दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म. पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म मीन्स व्हाट? हमारे पास जो बेसिक एक्स एंड वाई टू वेरिएबल्स होते हैं विच आर रिप्रेजेंटेड इन द कार्टेशियन फॉर्म. दिस एक्स एंड वाई आर द टू वेरिएबल्स विच रिप्रेजेंट्स the Cartesian form, which represents the coordinates x and y, corresponding values of coordinates x and y. If these two variables are represented by, separately represented by the common third variable, that is called as a parameter. So this type of equation is called as a parametric equation. This means x is a function of theta, y is a function of theta, therefore here theta is the parameter. Parameter means the actually third common variable. Roughly we can say that it is the third common variable parameter. So we have to calculate the slope of a tangent in the form of a parametric form. So no problem. Given equation of the curve in parametric form. In parametric form, x is equals to a in a bracket theta plus sin theta. So we can differentiate because x is a function of theta. यहाँ पे जो x है वो function of theta है, so we can differentiate with respect to theta. अभी देखो इसको डिटेल बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. It is not necessary to explain this concept of differentiation in the detail because already you have studied such a types of equation in the previous year, that is in the 11th class, in the 12th class. So you can easily understand this, the process of a differentiation. So dx by d theta is equals to a in a bracket थीटा का डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू थीटा क्या होता है रे? चलो बताओ रे स्टूडेंट्स, मुझे इस ब्रैकेट की वैल्यू बताओ. थीटा का डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू थीटा 1 होता है, साइन थीटा का डेरिवेटिव होता है कॉस थीटा. सो दिस इज अ सिंपल डेरिवेटिव. सिमिलरली चलो अभी बताओ रे मुझे स्टूडेंट्स y का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? आल्सो y इज इक्वल्स टू a in a bracket 1 plus cos theta. So differentiating with respect to theta, that means dy by d theta equals to a is a constant coefficient here. यहाँ पे जो भी ये है ना वो constant coefficient है. इन अ ब्रैकेट 1 का डेरिवेटिव होता है 0 माइनस कॉस थीटा का डेरिवेटिव होता है साइन थीटा, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस ए साइन थीटा, दैट इज dy by d theta. So this is equation number 2. Now the slope of a tangent is what is that? ME is equals to, actually first of all we have to calculate the equation of tangent. Slope of a tangent is ME is equals to dy by dx, which is equals to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, that is m is equals to, we can write dy by d theta minus a sin theta divided by a in a bracket 1 plus cos theta minus a sin theta divided by a in a bracket 1 plus cos theta, a will be get cancelled. So m is equals to minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. ओके, therefore अभी देखो इसका ये स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट, यहाँ पे ये हो गया स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट, बट हमें स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट कहाँ निकालना है? थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू पाई बाय 2 की जगह पे. सो स्लोप at a point where theta is equals to pi by 2. Therefore, m is equals to, अभी देखो क्या होता है, m is equals to minus sin pi by 2 divided by 1 plus cos pi by 2, that is equals to minus 1. That is equals to, therefore m is equals to minus 1. ये हो गया स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट एट थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू पाई बाय 2. लेकिन हमें अभी इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट निकालना है तो पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट भी निकालना है. ऑल्सो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट. पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट मीन्स जिस पॉइंट को हमें टेंजेंट की वैल्यू निकालना है, जिस पॉइंट को टेंजेंट निकाला हुआ है उसी टेंजेंट का इक्वेशन निकालना है. सो पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट निकाल दो. देयरफॉर द पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट, द पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट at theta is equals to pi by 2 is x is equals to a in a bracket, what is that value? Theta plus sin theta comma y is equals to a in a bracket 1 plus cos theta. Therefore, x is equals to a in a bracket pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2, y is equals to a in a bracket 1 plus cos pi by 2. Therefore, x is equals to a in a bracket pi by 2 plus 1, comma y is equals to a in a bracket 1 plus 0. So, x is equals to a in a bracket pi by 2 plus 1, y is equals to a. This is the point of a contact. Okay. Therefore, number 1, equation of a tangent at theta is equals to pi by 2 is, means this point. यहाँ पे theta is equals to pi by 2 means this point of contact is capital Y minus small y is equals to m in a bracket capital X minus small x. Capital Y minus small y means we consider as a small a. m की वैल्यू -1 है, कैपिटल x इंटू स्मॉल x की वैल्यू है a in a bracket pi by 2 plus 1. So, capital Y minus a is equals to minus x plus a in a bracket pi by 2 plus 1. So, capital X plus capital Y is equals to, we can write this as, अभी ये ट्रांसफर करो, ये जो ये है ना राइट साइड को ट्रांसफर करो, क्या होता है बताओ मुझे? प्लस ए अगेन प्लस ए इंटू पाई बाय 2, देन क्या होता है? प्लस ए देखो क्या होता है, प्लस ए. So we can write this as, therefore capital X plus capital Y is equals to 2a plus a pi by 2 So we can write capital X plus capital Y, which is equals to, you can take A common, inner bracket pi by 2 plus 2, or we can write 2 plus pi by 2. This is the equation of a tangent. अभी सेम प्रोसेस में आपको इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल निकालना है. वेरी गुड राधा बिराजदार, राइट. सो इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल सेकंड, इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल. तो हमें पहले टेंजेंट का स्लोप निकालना है. स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल इज, सबसे पहले हमें स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल निकालना है. स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल इज इक्वल्स टू m1 इज इक्वल्स टू -1 अपॉन n, विच इज इक्वल्स टू +1. सो सेम प्रोसेस, equation of normal at theta is equals to pi by 2 is same process, capital Y minus small y is equals to m1 in a bracket capital X minus small y, capital Y minus small y म्हणजेच a capital Y minus small y which is equals to m. m1 ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? 1 इन अ ब्रॅकेट कॅपिटल एक्स मायनस स्मॉल एक्स. स्मॉल एक्स म्हणजेच काय येतो पहा, एक्स ची व्हॅल्यू देखो अभी क्या है, ये इन अ ब्रॅकेट पाई बाय 2 प्लस 1. नाउ कैलकुलेट दिस. कैपिटल वाई माइनस स्मॉल ए इज इक्वल्स टू कैपिटल एक्स माइनस a in a bracket pi by 2 plus 1. So we can write this as capital X minus capital Y plus a minus a into pi by 2. ये देखो, ये ट्रांसफर करो राइट साइड, लेफ्ट साइड, राइट साइड को, तो इसको होता है माइनस ए विच इज इक्वल्स टू 0. दिस प्लस ए माइनस ए विल बी गेट कैंसल. सो द फाइनल आंसर x माइनस वाई माइनस a pi upon 2 is equals to 0. This is the required equation of normal. और देखो इस तरह से हम यहाँ पे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ओके, रूपोती मोरे, वो वर्षाली का कचरे, स्नेहल भोसले, वेरी गुड. नाउ वी शैल डिस्कस दिस. अभी यहाँ पे हमें ओके चलो इस तरह से हमें और भी कैलकुलेट करना है. प्रॉब्लम्स, बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, तो यू कैन फाइंड आउट दिस. ओके, show that here next find the equation of a tangent and normal. 1 minute. Find the equation of a tangent and normal. I think fifth. Find the equation of a tangent and normal. Oh. To the curve x into y is equals to c square at Cp, c into p comma c divides p. Answer, given equation of the curve is x into y is equals to c square. So first of all you have to calculate the derivative, differentiating with respect to x. First as it is x into derivative of second dy by dx plus second as it is y into derivative of first, which is equals to c square चा derivative 0. So x into dy by dx which is equals to minus y, dy by dx equals to minus y by x. Actually, this is the slope of a tangent in the variable form. At the variable point, the slope of a tangent to the given curve is dy by dx equals to minus y by x. अभी आपको क्या करना है, इसको slope at this particular point निकालना है, cp and c divided by p. Therefore, the slope of a tangent at c into p comma c divided by p, we get what is that? Dy by dx equals to minus y by, y means c divides p divided by cp, that is equals to minus c divided by, अभी देखो क्या होता है, cy, y means c divided by p, बराबर है क्या स्टूडेंट? cp means this, that is c divided by cp square, दो 1 upon p square. This is m is equals to dy by dx. So we can calculate the equation of a tangent at a point cp comma cp square. So equation of a tangent at p in a bracket cp comma c divides p. Therefore, what is the equation? Capital Y minus small y is equals to small m in a bracket capital X minus small x. Capital Y minus small y, what is the small y? C divides p, which is equals to m means minus 1 upon p square, capital X minus small x means cp. So you can separate this, capital Y minus c divides p, which is equals to, अभी देखो क्या होता है, देखो c minus x divided by p square minus minus plus c divided by p. So we can write x divided by p square plus y, which is equals to cp plus cp. 1 minute. C divides p plus c divides p. C divides p plus c divides p. So we can write x square divided by p square plus y square is equals to 2 into c divides p. Okay. तो इसको आप सिंप्लीफाई भी कर सकते हैं या एज इट इज भी लिख सकते हैं. दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट. सेकंड, अभी हमें क्या करना है, नॉर्मल का स्लोप निकालना है. नॉर्मल का इक्वेशन निकालना है, यानी कि नॉर्मल का स्लोप निकालना है. नॉर्मल का स्लोप निकालना है तो पहले आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, देखो रेसिप्रोकल लेना है इसका, रेसिप्रोकल. देयरफॉर स्लोप ऑफ अ नॉर्मल इज m is equals to p square, m1 is equals to, suppose we can write 1 upon m, minus 1 upon m, that is equals to p square. So use the equation of a normal at point, what we can write, p in a bracket cp comma c divides p is capital Y minus small y is equals to m1 in a bracket x minus small x. Capital Y minus small y ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे रे, c divides p, which is equals to m1 म्हणजे minus 1 upon, that is m1 means what, p square into x minus x म्हणजे cp. So you can calculate this, you can calculate, and the value, find out the value of equation of a normal, that is y minus c divided p, which is equals to xp square minus cp cube. So transfer on right side all term, x into p square minus y with minus y plus cp cube minus plus c divided by p plus cp cube equals to 0. Now you can calculate this, or you can put this. This is the required equation of normal. X is equals to cp. ओके, x इज इक्वल्स टू सी पी, वाई इज इक्वल्स टू सी डिवाइड्स पे, राधा बिरादर. इस तरह से हम किसी भी इक्वेशन का, ये देखो, किसी भी प्रॉब्लम का टेंजेंट, किसी भी कर्व का, किसी भी फंक्शन का, we can find the equation of a tangent and normal for any type of a curve. What we have to do? First of all, we have to calculate the derivative, that is dy by dx. According to the dy by dx, we have to find out the slope of a tangent, that is m is equals to dy by dx is equals to f dash of x. Then use that formula. Equation of a tangent is capital Y minus small y, which is equals to m in a bracket capital X minus small x. So solve this equation, then we get the equation of a tangent. Similarly, to find the equation of a normal, what we have to do? First of all, अभी देखो, first of all you have to calculate the slope of a normal, and the slope of a normal is negative reciprocal of slope of a tangent. यहाँ पे नॉर्मल का जो भी स्लोप होता है वो टेंजेंट का नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल होता है. सो वी कैन फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ अ नॉर्मल. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से वी कैन फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल. नाउ वी शैल स्टॉप हियर. We shall solve such types of problems tomorrow also based on this tangent and normal. Thank you.